Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG microwave damper. It's going to be a very easy repair, and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new damper. The damper opens and closes when the fan is on. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and the microwave's not venting right. In order to get to the part, you have to drop the microwave down. There's a lot of different variations depending upon what model you have. Because we don't have a kitchen to mount it, you'll have to look at your user guide in order to see how to take it down. Once you have it down, you can set it on the countertop so we can work on it. Make sure you put a towel down so you don't scratch anything. The damper is held into the bracket with a pin on each end. In order to remove the damper, we're just going to lift up on a little bit and take a small flathead screwdriver and kind of flex it so it comes out on one end. Once you have it free, you can pull the other end out and pull it off the microwave. Here's the old damper next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new damper in, we're just going to line up one end and make sure the pin goes in. And then on the other end, same as when we took it off, you may have to flex a little bit with the flathead screwdriver to get it to go down into the bracket. Once you have it mounted, you want to make sure that it moves freely and that you didn't bend it. Just make sure it sits down properly on this little mounting tab right there and swings freely. Once you have the new part installed, you can reinstall the microwave into the cabinets, and then you can plug it in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.